Here we go.
And action.
Thanks.
Right, here we go. Shooting now.
First one.
And action.
You've been spying on us, have you?
Come over here. I just want to try anti-gravity before I just come. Yeah.
Traitor! Yeah.
Ты шпионил за нами, признавайся.
Кикимер просто наблюдал.
Dobby? I'm a Dobby. So the moves, isn't it? He's creature. But I'm better.
Дефендо! Ridotto!
Все в порядке?
Все в порядке. Lumos.
You comfortable with all that stuff?
We'll see. Yeah, probably. Yeah, absolutely.
all right. We're going to do 1 or 2 takes. We're not going to labour it. We'll just because it's all about the coverage for me. It's all about getting one quick moment and getting closer.
Yeah.
Dan?
Yes, sir.
All good?
Yeah.
You know we're going for the other shot now. We're tracking up. Well, basically, it's the end of that last shot of you struggling, and then you're going to start getting dragged diagonally up towards the other corner of the ice, past the hull. What I was the main thing to do, Dan, is setting yourself up for it, because you're back upside down most of the time. I was taking my goggles off, getting myself sorted, and then getting your breath, and then just slowly getting yourself in position.
Okay.
Because the flatter you are, the better it will look, you know.
Okay.
And the same thing with the slow exhale will stop anything rushing up. So.
All right, perfect.
Thank you, mate.
Struggle. Great, keep it up there. Brilliant. Fighting, struggling.
And the other big moment we have to make more of is the tension here between the two of you just before Rupert stabs. And the final thing is just to remember that when you're down here, Dan, and you fall for the final time, you're looking at Rupert.
Yeah.
Rupert has to look like he's gonna.
Because I think he's going to kill me.
He's gonna kill you, yeah. And that's quite an interesting moment.
And try and offer what support, you can.
Sorry I left.
Well, you've more or less made up for it tonight. Getting the sword, finishing off the Horcrux.
Saving your life.
That too.
Подумать только. Еще один уничтожили.
Ronald Weasley! Ты последняя задница, Рон Уизли!
So guys, that completes us shooting here in this winter section here.